GIMP Magazine issue 1 is out.
True story.
GIMP as in the...
GIMP as in the editing software.
What do they do with a magazine?
They've started making a really cool magazine.
Wait. Are they using GIMP?
To make the magazine, probably.
I'm assuming, yes.
I'm assuming for the image editing and so on. I'm not sure how far you can go with using GIMP for using layout and the way that you can use stuff like
I have seen folks use GIMP for layout. It can be done. Pamphlet layouts especially.
Yeah, I don't know if you can use it for a magazine. That might be a bit of a stretch. The first issue is, I think, around 50 pages. It's free, available at, I think, gimpmagazine.org. And they have some articles in there about, tips and tricks for the GIMP. And there's an article with an interview with a photographer who uses the GIMP, I should stop calling it that, uses GIMP and UF-RAW exclusively. So, the guy's using open source and free software for his photographs and editing. And there was, a bunch of things with people using it to create images as well. And by which I mean, digital art. A couple of things about that, some tips. It's interesting, and it's free.
Yes,
and if you're a GIMP user, you should definitely check it out. They already have something like 25,000, I think, downloads.
So here is an interesting thing that I noticed, or that we came across on one of those question answering website-y thingies. It's not Quora, it's the big software one that I always come across. Google search, no.
The other one of...
Yes, like a gazillion. Anyway, it doesn't matter. The point is that the question that was asked was, how do I do this thing in Photoshop that I can do in GIMP? And that never happens, but it happens for this one feature, and that is color to alpha. You can tell GIMP, here's this color, convert any instances of this color to alpha. It'll also find tints of that color. So in other words, if you go convert, say you've got an image on a black background, and you say convert black to alpha, there will be parts of the image that are alphaed out as well. So if you want it darker, then you're going to have to draw, a darker background in behind the actual image as well.
I think with that you can actually set
how sensitive that is. And so that was actually interesting. So if that is the case, if you can do color to alpha, and don't tell me that weird color selection tool that doesn't work. All right, that doesn't work the same as this.
I automatically assumed that they could all do that because that's something I use so often in GIMP.
Exactly. It is a problem we came across when we made our video, which hopefully you'll get to see later. It was a bit of a mess, actually. Anyway, back to making a foreign topic on my broadband.
Cool.